इस वक्त तो ज़्यादातर रईस पे फोकस हो रहा है, वो रिलीज़ होने वाली है 25 जनवरी को, तो उस पर एक ज़्यादा फोकस है। और एक फ़िल्म जो मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ जनवरी 10 को।
So Farhan, how long you are associated with, you become brand ambassador, how long it was?
Now it's been just over 3 years
Okay.
that we've been very closely associated with Dulux. I'm very happy with this association. It's been very productive. I would hope for them as it has been for me.
So what are the collection they are showing? How's it?
Well, they have this which they unveil the color of the year, which is actually more like a future trend.
Okay.
You know, what they see that will be more a color of prominence in the year to come, so in 2017. And this year they've chosen denim as the color. So it's not really just one color, it's the whole range of denim, which usually goes from like a dark blue down to a very light kind of blue. And I'm very happy about it because I love the color blue and I love being dressed in denim. I'm sure you've seen me more often than not in jeans when I'm out and about. So I feel very good about it. Yeah.
So when Shraddha is associated with both, you both are same at the position or the Shraddha will come afterward?
Sorry?
श्रद्धा बाद में आई हैं या आप दोनों साथ में ही?
नहीं, मेरे ख्याल से मुझे मेरे एसोसिएशन को शायद 1 साल हो चुका था when she came on board. So yeah, I think it's 2 years now for her, if I'm not mistaken.
So what is your favorite? As you seen the collections, which one is your favorite? If we ask about the color.
Well, like I just said, I think the color that they've chosen as the color of the year is really something that I do like very much.
Yeah.
The color blue and various shades of blue that are involved in denim. So I do feel very good that the choice that's been made, I think it's a very suitable choice, a very apt choice.
Yeah. So what tips you will give to youngster if we talk about the fashions in the cold seasons?
यार, अब मैं क्या टिप दूँ लोगों को? अगर आपको सर्दी लग रही है तो प्लीज़ बाय समथिंग वार्म. अगर आपको सर्दी नहीं लग रही है देन ड्रेस द वे यू वांट. बट आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से हर इंसान का मतलब एक अपना स्टाइल होता है, एक अपना अंदाज होता है, जो एक अच्छी बात है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स अस इंडिविजुअल्स. And that's nice. But it's also nice that we have people, whether it's in the world of fashion, in the world of interior designing, and people like Dulux, you know, who give us an indication of what is trendy and what is in and out, you know. So that's always nice to have as information. And then of course you should do as you please.
What's your heads on nowadays if you talk about the projects?
इस वक्त तो ज़्यादातर रईस पे फोकस हो रहा है, वो रिलीज़ होने वाली है 25 जनवरी को, तो उस पर एक ज़्यादा फोकस है। और एक फ़िल्म जो मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ जनवरी 10 को, लखनऊ सेंट्रल. तो those are the 2 films.
So did you see the trailer Race? How is it?
Have I seen the trailer of Race? क्या question? What kind of question is this?
Okay, you are in the sorry, I don't know. That's why.
Get some brief first.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, चलिए. Yes, I have seen the trailer of Race. It's mind blowing. I hope you've also seen it.
Okay, so thank you talking.
Okay,
Thank you so much.